Look at this distraught, heartbroken individual. Get ready with me to drown my broken heart in adult apple juice. Hey, it's Katie and I'm back today with another. So, I ended up locking myself out of my phone yesterday before I went out, and I started a whole vlog and everything, and now I cannot get into the footage. So, I got my heart broken. Of course, that's new. But to start the year off with a broken heart is crazy. I need to go back to 2022 Shakira or 2021 Shakira because the way I'm just now y'all see this is why I don't like music live. Now I'll be wrong if I snatch this off and go put my little one on, my little 27 piece. And look how stiff that is. Look. She's still a bad bitch, dog. I love wigs because I can adjust the size of my forehead. Having your phone locked on you for 8 hours is crazy as fuck. But it happens to the best of us. Oh, also, shot. I'm finna do two braids. That's what I'm finna do. Because we don't curl this, we don't curl back up. It's gonna curl back up. Nothing about it. I love having some fucking Apple products for purposes like this. Because how do you lock yourself out of your phone? Your phone. Not just curling back up already. Relax, baby. Relax. I should have waited. Quite literally. Doesn't get bad. It doesn't get. That's it. And I'm hoping to get what's that one? Wendy? Hi, welcome to Wendy's. That's all I do is throw the beanie on. Like, right on top. I think I should smoke it. I literally just speak to myself. At least we're down to 6 hours and 41 minutes. Give or take a few. This is crazy. Hey, we're my enemies and show is burning hard. It's working too. I'm cute and neat. I have to redo it. I think Jackie. You're doing it? Don't you twisted. I think I'm gonna escape today. So yeah, that's the tea. I'm locked out of my phone, and y'all probably won't get videos. Probably not. If y'all do, salute. If y'all do, it will probably be low quality and off of my iPad. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And it's gonna be like this because I don't feel like doing all that extra stuff. So, with that being said, it's K today. I'm gonna put my phone on. I'm gonna do it. I gotta make sure I stay hydrated today. I gotta make sure I stay hydrated today because I did drink a bit much yesterday, real fast. Shot me, please. I'm not even gonna sit here and bother to post twice today just for the simple fact of because of her. I'm gonna just throw this together real quick, post it. And today should be day 9, I believe. Who knows? I know this password though. Okay, I'm in. Oh, what was I doing again? Oh, what's the date? That's what I was doing. Today should be day 9 since it is the 10th, and I started the streak a day after. That whole posting twice like I did the day before yesterday, I'm not doing that today. I'm not doing that today, babes. Sorry, babes, not doing that. I can't see myself doing it. I'm so sorry. Not really sorry at all. But yeah, we just gonna keep it at that. I ended up going out with Z. Girl, you saved my life and you don't even know it. Thank you, love you. Since I don't got no goddamn photos no more. Shit, that hurt my feelings. So many vlogs. Today, and I'm out only for today. Peace, love, and prosperity.